Hi, this is Sally Draper, WELS Technology Trainer, and I'm just going to do a quick demo of how to add the Google Lectionary calendar to your personal Google Calendar. I'm here on the page in our WELS Tech Wiki where we've given you the address in step 2 that you need to copy to do this process. So I'm going to highlight that address and right click and copy it. Then I'm going to go to my personal Google Calendar, and in the section labeled Other Calendars, I'm going to right click and paste that address and press enter. When I do that, you see that the calendar adds to my Google Calendar, and you can see an event on each Sunday of the church year, as well as on major festivals like Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, and Christmas Day. If you click on any of those events and look at the more details, you can see that the event includes the lectionary and Psalms, the supplemental lectionary, the prayer of the day, the verse of the day, the hymn of the day, as well as the church year color. So that's what you'll get for adding the lectionary calendar to your Google Calendar. And I'm here on my Google Calendar where I've added the Christian Worship Lectionary calendar. I'm going to actually look at calendar settings for that particular calendar in order to embed it in my own website. On the main tab of calendar settings for a particular calendar, you'll notice there's a section that says Embed this calendar, where you can embed the calendar into a website or blog by pasting the code that's provided on your web page. To embed multiple calendars, click on the Customize link, and you can see over here that there's a link that says Customize the color, size, and other options. So if you only want to use this calendar and go with the default settings, you could simply click anywhere inside of this code box and highlight it all and copy it with a right-click copy command or Control-C. But if you'd like to customize the calendar, you can click on Customize the color, size, and other options, and a new window will open. And in that window you can control what items are shown in the view, whether the default view is a month or a week or agenda view. You could control the size of the calendar display, the day of the week that it starts on, the language default. You can even pick a background color and decide whether you want a border for the calendar. And you can pick and choose between the different calendars you have available to you. I think I'm going to make my calendar 600 pixels wide, and we'll just leave all the other options that are listed here available. And I'm going to go up again and copy the HTML coding, make sure it's up to date, and just highlight and right click and copy that HTML coding. And then I'm done with this page. I think I can actually just X the box to close it. That coding is on my clipboard, so I'm going to hop over to my website. It happens to be a final website, and I'm going to add a text section to a dynamic page. And in that text section, I'm actually going to use the source command to view the HTML source code and paste my source code. And having done that, I can submit the text changes, and my Google Calendar will embed on my web page and show all the updates. So if I were to make any changes on my Google Calendar, they would automatically flow through to this calendar displayed on my final website. And I can switch to different views of the calendar. I can easily print the calendar, navigate around the calendar just like I would on Google Calendar.